Solos, licks. Okay, here's a lick I got from Robin. No, off of here. This is just a lick. Again, for beginners, I would say that maybe this is a beginning of an intermediate idea where you're going to branch to beginning and then kind of move into intermediate. But here's the idea. We're going to play over these chords, the solo idea. We're going to have for the A7, our fingers are going to be on the 5th, 6th, and 7th frets. Okay? So we're going to stay in this area. We're going to move them up one time, and which will be to the 8th, the 7th, and the 6th frets. Okay, so basically you're going to think of this. See my fingers the way they are here? Then I move up here or whatever. This is where these fingers are going to stay. And if I have to play whatever string I have to play on, that finger is going to play the note. Okay. So first finger gets the 5th fret, second finger gets the 6th fret, third finger gets the 7th fret. When I move it up, it's the same thing. One finger per fret. Okay. Get that concept down. Okay, but here's the first idea. This lick starts on the 4th string at the 7th fret. It's over the A7 chord. It goes. Okay. Then you go to the 6th fret on the 3rd string. Then you go to the 5th fret on the 2nd string. Now you're going to roll this over, and go on the 1st string. You go 6, 5, 6. Actually, it's 6, 5, 6, 5. And it sounds like da, 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 da. Okay? So here, if I have to count it, it's going to be like this. 1, 2, 3. Actually, this is 1, 2, 3. This is actually, the beat is 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to make sure that's right, but we don't say the wrong thing here. So let's repeat that. Let's try it over and over again. All right, we want to get the groove. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm tapping to show you that there's a beat right after that I'm not playing. Okay, let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. A couple more times. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, now with that same rhythm in mind, the next one is going to fit over the D minor. So we leave our fingers in the same place, and we start with the same note. Okay, 7th fret, 4th string. Then we're going to roll that finger over to the 7th fret on the 3rd string. Okay? And then to the 6th fret on the 2nd string. Okay, so the difference here is this. This is actually a chord. It's a D minor chord. But we're using this finger. Okay? If you think you can find a better fingering, try it. But most of the time you'll flub it up. So let's do it like this. And then we're going to roll it over to the 1st string. Roll it over the 1st string and it goes 6, 5, 6, 5. So it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay. Now you're going to go back and repeat the first one again, and go back and repeat the one I just showed you. But then the 3rd one, which is the only other one in here, is the 8th fret, 7th fret, and 6th fret. So you're going to go like this. That's the 4th string on the 8th fret, 7th fret on the 3rd string, and then 6th fret, 2nd string, and then on the top you're going to go, instead of going da 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 with the 6, 5, 6, you're going to go 8, 6, 8, 6. Okay, so it's like this. Got that? Try it a couple times. Alright, then we go back to the first one. The second one we learned. go back to the first one. Okay, we'll get the order of these in a moment, but they should follow your chord chart. Now, the only thing that's left here is the ending or the resolution of this. Okay, I changed a couple of notes from what Robin did, and this is what it's going to be like. So after we go like this, we break. Okay, so here's what I'm doing on that. That's 6th fret, 1st string, with my 2nd finger, leaving my 1st finger behind it. 5th fret, then I go over to the 2nd string with my pinky, all the way to the 8th fret. Remember, 1 finger per fret, shouldn't be a problem. Then the 2nd finger is on the 6th fret on the 2nd string. 1st finger is on the 5th fret of the 2nd string. Follow what I'm doing here. Now that is the 7th fret on the 3rd string. Now I'm rolling it over, or moving my next finger over, whichever finger you want to use. You can go like this between the two, or you can go, and then you're gonna. That's the 7th fret on the 4th string, and then you're gonna go back finally to the 7th fret on the 3rd string. But the notes there is da 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not rhythmically, but that's what it sounds like to you. So let's try it again. 6, 5, 8, 6, 5, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Now I'm going to play the lick. All these licks, they aren't really licks. It's more of an idea for a solo. Okay? Could be considered a lick, but I think it's a little more than that. So that's why I said it kind of moves into the next area. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I did mess up there on that one little part. Let me play that again so it'll be correct for you when you listen to it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and the picking I'm using, I was probably unconsciously using up and down strokes, alternate picking. But I suggest you just try it with downstrokes first before you try it with upstrokes. The whole picking thing is for another lesson. Anyway, let's see if you can get that down before we go to a more complicated idea for a solo, okay? All right.